We are going to lint roll. The lint rolling is to get any loose fibers out. Now remember, it's going to hang this way, so you want your design to go this way, all right? Now we're going to do a pre-press. And you only need to do your pre-press for a couple seconds. I say 5 to 10 seconds will be good enough. All right. And that kind of just pancakes it out and gets it nice and smooth. You're going to take your transfer and spray a little adhesive on there and do it over the trash can so you don't get sticky all over your floor. And I kind of cut around my Texas just so when I'm putting it on here, I kind of get a general idea of how well it'll be centered. And now we are going to go ahead and just press again, 400 degrees for 60 seconds. All right, we're in the last few seconds. Wow. Ouch, and it's hot too. Be careful, the backside is gonna be hot, but that looks fabulous. Totally in love. Okay, so now we want to do the oven mitt. Which I can't find my other piece of paper. What did I do with it? There it is. Okay, so now we're moving on to the oven mitt. Again, there's the pie holder. Love. Can't wait till Christmas time to put that up. And we are going to do a pre-press and lint roll one more time. All right, so this is a little bit thicker, so we're gonna have to raise our heat press a little bit. Mine's a swing away, so you just gotta turn the knob. And I think I'm gonna get a clean piece of paper. The reason why you wanna use clean butcher paper is so that you don't transfer any colors over from the previous design you did. This one might be a little booger. So I'm gonna go for the full 10 seconds on this pre-press, just kind of see if I can get it flattened out a little to make it easier to press. And so as you can see, we did a longer pre-press. We might get out some of that wrinkle right there, but I'm not doing a full design, so that really doesn't matter to me right now. I'm going to spray adhesive. And place. That's one thing I could never figure out. If you hang your glove like this, which way should you put the design? I'm going to go ahead and put it like that. So inquiring minds want to know what would be. Just going to go like that. All right, so now we're going to do a full press, 400 degrees for 60 seconds. And to get it to move under there, I had to raise my pressure. Okay. All right, we're going to let it cook for another 60 seconds. Right. Quickly lift your transfer paper. And wow, I cannot get over how phenomenal the colors look. I mean, they're just so bright and vivid. I mean, I just am totally in love. So there is your oven mitt and pot holder set, and those came out fabulous.